Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another video. So in this video I'm gonna walk you through how you can make anywhere from $14 to $22 per hour. And the best part is this, you can do it from your comfort of your home, and you can do it from your couch, and you can do it from anywhere where you want to basically work. So guys, but before we can start, the most important thing, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, make sure you do, because right now I am uploading video on pretty much consistent basis, teaching you people how you can make money by just working at home with your laptop and internet connection. And I'm providing you a tremendous amount of value through my videos. So guys, if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you hit the subscribe button and press the notification bell guys, because you will be notified whenever I upload the videos, and that was pretty much every day. And guys, one more important thing, if you want to learn how to generate full-time passive income right at working home, I highly recommend you to click the first link in the description, my number one recommended system that teaches you exactly how to go from zero to $1,000 a day online. It's a 40 minutes pure value webinar that teaches you exactly how to do it step by step. A lot of people are going through this, and this was really awesome. People are loving it. So check it out. Click the first link in the description and you can get started. So guys, back onto this video. Let's get into this. And I'm going to show you exact website that you're going to go and earn $14 to $22 per hour. You can make up to that kind of money. So let's get into this guys. So guys, the website I'm going to show you is called VIPKid. You can go to this website directly by tapping vipkid.com, and you will able to go to this website. But what this is, you are going to able to teach people English. And the guys, best part is this, you can earn $14 to $22 per hour teach English. And the best part is this, you pick your own hours. Now most of them are gonna be people in the country of China, so you can teach English to the kid of China. And I don't know, there are a couple billion people in China, and they need people to teach them English. And you can earn anywhere from guys $14 to $22 per hour teaching English. So when you come here, you're gonna be able to work your own schedule guys. You're gonna have your own sets of time, own schedule to do this, and you can do everything is done online, so you can work online, so you can have everything set up. And what you're gonna need is just a good webcam in order to communicate, and you also need a headset with a microphone, because you're gonna be able to communicate through the computer, but everything is done on the computer. So you have a PC or laptop and you can do it from there. And guys, there are over 200,000 students right now, and there is about 300 cities that you are going to able to teach the English language to. So if you know the English language, this is definitely going to be for you. All you have to do is just come in here and you just sign up from this website and create your account. You go there and you just tell them exactly the level of your English, what you want to know in English. Maybe you're gone through a college and some sort of degree, whatever it is you're going through, and you are going to able to express. So guys, this is one of the easiest way to do this, because all you're going to do is you're going to communicating in English to people, and you're going to be just be teaching people out there on the internet how to speak English. So you're basically teaching the peoples in the China to how to speak English language, and it's basically just starting with the alphabet, and all you have to know like dogs and cat thing, that really easy, and you can do it from really anywhere, right? You can do it from your home or your couch. So you just come to VIP Kit. You can sign up through your email, and you can also sign up with Facebook. They handle all the payments, so you don't worry about taking payments and all the other stuffs, that you are just going to able to go to online community with peoples. So guys, get signed up and make money with this right now. It's through this is the hottest website right now, and it's one of the best way for anybody to jump online and being able to earn a good hour of income online. And this is flexible hours, so you can do it from whenever you are available. So if you work all day and you want to come home and do this totally, you can do that. So guys, just head over to vipkit.com and sign up and create an account and start earning. But guys, at the last, you still trading time for money, and that's okay. But guys, if you want to learn how to generate a full-time passive income right at working from home, this is what I am doing, and I just loving it. So guys, if you want to learn how to generate a good amount of income online, so I highly recommend you to click the first link in the description, guys. My #1 recommended system. It's a complete 40 minutes webinar, and it's 100% free. You can sign up and just register for the webinar. It teaches you exactly how to go from $0 to $1,000 a day online. So guys, I'm just signing off. If you like this video, guys, don't forget to hit the like button, and if you haven't subscribed it yet, make sure you do. Press the subscribe button, guys. I upload videos on a daily basis providing you value. And guys, if you want to ask some questions, feel free to comment below on the comment box, and I try to answer them all. So guys, I'm just signing off. Thank you for watching, and have a nice day.